Introducing the ASUS TUF Gaming F17 gaming laptop, a powerhouse packed with impressive features. Its 17.3-inch 144Hz FHD IPS-Type display ensures smooth visuals and a stunning viewing experience. Powered by an Intel Core i5-10300H processor and NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650T graphics, this laptop offers exceptional gaming performance. With a durable MIL STD810H military standard construction, the ASUS TUF Gaming F17 is built to withstand the demands of intense gaming sessions. Its 512GB PCIe SSD and 8GB DDR4 RAM provide ample storage and speedy multitasking capability. This gaming laptop comes pre-installed with Windows 10 Home and is eligible for a free upgrade to Windows 11 when available. It also boasts an RGB keyboard for a customizable gaming setup. Please note that this product is designed for use in the US and may require an adapter or converter for international use. Ensure compatibility before making your purchase. Experience the power and performance of the ASUS TUF Gaming F17 gaming laptop. Get yours today at the short link provided. Visit our website for more information on the free Windows 11 upgrade eligibility and product specifications.